Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to check HyperWallet balance. There are three main ways to check your HyperWallet balance. One is by using online login. Another is by making a phone call on the phone number on the back of your HyperWallet Visa prepaid card, or simply go ahead and visit a nearby ATM and insert your HyperWallet card and check the option to check balance. In this video, we are going to be showing you how we can do it online. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser to get started. Go to the URL box and type in pay.hyperwallet.com and search. You will land in the login area for HyperWallet. In order to check your balance, you will need to log into your account. Go to the right-hand side corner and enter an email address and password associated with your account. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link and follow through the on-screen instruction. Finally, go ahead and click on the Sign In button in order to check your balance for HyperWallet. As soon as you are logged in, your current balance should be readily displayed on the dashboard or the account summary section. So that's how it is done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.